How to change your country on Play Store. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your country on Play Store. First, open Play Store on your Android phone. Then, tap on your profile icon from the top right. Here, select Payments and Subscriptions. Now, go to Payment Methods. Then tap on More Payment Settings. Now, tap on Menu. From the bottom, select Settings. Scroll down here and go to Country or Region. Then tap on Create New Profile. From the page that opens, click on Continue. Here, select a country or region that you want to change in your phone. Tap on Continue. Next, provide your address line 1. Then, enter your postal code. Click on Submit. Here, tap on View Profile. Scroll down and you can see your country here. Now go to Web Browser. Here, search for NordVPN. Then, go to its web page. By doing this, you can change your country on the Play Store. Alternatively, one of the best ways to change your location on your phone or computer is to use a good VPN. They are reliable and will make any website, app, or person think you're in a different location. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.